This video explains how to buy shares of FG Merger II Corp on NASDAQ under the ticker FGMC using a broker as an example. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. Always do your own research. You will need a broker account to trade. I use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FGMC to find FG Merger II Corp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart to confirm it is FG Merger II Corp. Verify the ticker FGMC and the NASDAQ listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it confirms. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The link to eToro is in the description if you want the same example shown in this guide.